Okay, no, it's recording. Okay, my name, my name is Erwin Schrodinger the 14th. I have created a legacy just as great as my great-great-great-grandfather. I have come up with an experiment such as his, yet for our generation. I present to you Schrodinger's cat. In this box here is a laptop. On that laptop, it is on a battery, a very large battery, but it's connected to this battery, and I don't know how long the battery will last. It could last forever. It could last for the next minute. But inside is a video playing. No one knows what's on this video except for me. No one will ever know unless that box is opened. So therefore, there is both a video and not a video. The video is both playing and not playing. It is my life's work, and I have recreated his experiment. This is amazing.
Yo, dude, what's up?
Haven't you heard of knocking?
It's in the box.
Everyone, this is my roommate, Brad.
What are you doing?
I'm conducting an experiment. I'm explaining it to the audience.
Hold on. Yeah. Nah, man, I'm just talking to this queer kid. Yeah, my roommate, yeah.
No, Brad.
Yeah, the fucking Schrode kid. Yeah. Nah, man, I'll be at the party. Yeah. No, he's a queer. It's cool. I can talk.
Brad. No.
No, you can't. Okay, alright. Later, bro. So, okay. You got me. What's in the box? What are you doing?
In the box.
Well, I gotta look in the box.
No.
The fuck? Queer.
My life's